It all depends on this presentation. And Daniel knows that with his Windows 11 Copilot PC, he's ready to crush it. With the new recall feature, a personalized timeline remembers almost everything seen on Daniel's PC, so he can find the exact file he needs in seconds. And Recall provides him privacy controls over what it can capture. With the research done, his PC's neural processing unit's blistering fast performance means Daniel can pick up right where he left off without missing a beat. And a dedicated Copilot key means help is always at hand. With live captions that can translate from 40+ languages into English in real time, he's able to easily collaborate with his global team. AI-powered features in Windows Studio effects, like creative filters and portrait blur, ensure Daniel nails the presentation and lands the account. Scale to new heights with Windows 11 Copilot PCs. A new AI era begins at work with the fastest, most intelligent Windows PCs ever.